So statistics, next chapter, next exercise. Next question is sixth question till fifth question we have discussed in the previous video. 15.2 we are doing. So we have to find out mean and standard deviation using shortcut method. So shortcut method we have to use and we have to find out mean and standard deviation. So make certain number of columns. The first column should be of xi. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, right? Next column should be of fi 2, 1, 12, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 5, right? So total of all this will be 100. Next we have to make a column of this. Let's take this be fi. For shortcut method, let's just subtract this value from all these values and divide it by 1. So xi minus 64, right? So xi minus 64 divided by L. L is the gap between them, so gap is of 1, right? So divided by 1. So xi minus 64. So 60 minus 64 is minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus. This is the process of shortcut method. So use this process 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So next we have square of this. You can take it as yi also. So square of this is yi square. So yi square is 4 square is 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, right? So sum of all this will be 220. Now fi yi. So fi is 2 multiplied by this minus 4 is minus 8, minus 3, minus 24, minus 29, right? Then we have 0, then 12, then 40. Sorry, this will be 20, then 12, and then 5, 4, 20, right? So if we calculate the sum, it will be 0. Next, fi yi square. Fi yi square. So fi yi square will be this multiplied by this 16 2 times 32, then 9, then 12 4 times 48, then 29, then 0, then 12, then 40, then 36, then 80. So sum of all this will be this will be 6 and 286, right? So mean formula is equal to, using shortcut method, so x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi yi upon n multiplied by h, which is equal to I is equal to 1 to n, which is equal to 64. A is 64 plus sigma fi yi, so it is 0 multiplied by 1, h value is 1 upon 100. This upon 100 should be here. So which is equal to 0 upon 100. So which is equal 0 upon 100 is 0, which is equal to 64. So mean is 64. Next we have to find out variance. So variance formula for shortcut method is variance. Just see this formula, sigma square is equal to h square upon n square. This is the formula for shortcut method. And sigma I is equal to 1 up to 9, because 9 number of terms are there. Fi yi square minus sigma fi yi whole square. I is equal to 1 to n. So this is the complete formula for variance. H square upon n square and sigma fi yi square minus sigma fi yi whole square, right? So h square is 1 square is 1, n is 100, so 100 square bracket 100 number of terms is 100 multiplied by 286 minus this is 0, right? So 0 square is 0 itself, so which is equal to, when we'll solve it, it will be 2.86, right? So variance is 2.86, so standard deviation is the square root of variance. Standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of 2.86, which is 1.69. Standard deviation is 1.69, variance is 2.86, and mean is 64. Just pause the video and note down. In question number 7th also we have to determine mean and variance. So class, first column will be of class interval Ci. So Ci is 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150 to 180, 180 to 210, right? Next we have frequency Fi 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. So when we'll add it, this will be 10, 10 and 10. This is 30. Next column, just find out Xi, class mark, right? So 0 plus 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then this will be 45, then 75, then this will be 105, then 135, then 165, and then 195, right? Next column, yi is equal to xi, yi is equal to xi minus a upon h. So a value is 105, so 15 minus 105 divided by h is 30, right? Because h value is 30. So 15 minus 105 divided by 30. So that is minus 3. 45 minus 105 divided by 30, which is minus 2. Then 75 minus 105 minus 1. Then 0. Then 1. Then 2. Then 3. Right? So next column is yi square. So yi square is 9410149. Next column is fi yi square. Fi yi, right? So fi yi will be equal to this multiplied by this. So 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6, then minus 6, then minus 5, then 0, then 3, then 10, then 6, right? Next we have fi yi square. Last column, fi yi square. These things we require for the formula. So fi yi square means 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, 3 multiplied by 4 is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, 0, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, right? So just add all these values. So this will be 76, and this will be when we'll add it, it will be equal to 2, right? So now let's use the formula for mean. So mean is equal to a plus sigma fi yi. I is equal to 1 to 7, because 7 number of terms are there, divided by n multiplied by h. So which is equal to, a value is 105 plus 2 multiplied by 30 upon 30, which is equal to 107, right? So mean value is 107. Now variance. So variance formula for this shortcut method, variance sigma square is equal to h square upon n square bracket n sigma I is equal to 1 to 7 fi yi square minus bracket sigma I is equal to 1 to 7 fi yi whole square, right? So just put the value into this. So h square is 30 square, n square is 30 square, bracket n is 30 multiply by 76 because this is 76 minus fi yi sum is 2 square, right? So which is, this will be cancelled. 30 multiplied by 76 is 2280 minus 4 which is 2276. So variance is 2276. If it asks for standard deviation, we would have taken a square root of it. So this is the complete solution of question number 7th. Question number 8th and 9th are exactly same as question number 7th. Just try to do it yourself, and if any doubt is there you can ask me. So next directly we do question number 10th. So question number 10th, as the gaps are not uniform, there is a gap of 1. So let's add 1 by 2 in the upper limit and subtract 1 by 2 from the lower limit. So the class interval will become 32.5 to 36.5, then 36.5 to 40.5, then 40.5 to 44.5, then 44.5 to 48.5, then 48.5 to 52.5. Just we have to make it continuous, right? As it was not continuous, so we have to add the gap divided by 2 to the upper limit and subtract gap divided by 2 in the lower limit, right? So frequency is, rest of the process will be same: 15, 17, 21, 22 and 25. Next column will be xi. So xi means these two divided, sum of these two divided by 2, which is 34.5. Next 38.5. Next 42.5, 46.5, 50.5, right? Ci, Fi, Xi. Now Yi. So Yi is equal to Xi minus A upon H. So A value 42.5, H is 4, right? So A value 42.5 because this is the centermost term and H is the gap between these two. So Yi will be 34.5 minus 42.5 divided by 4. So which will be equal to minus 2. This will be equal to 4 divided by 4 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Next column will be of Fi square. So sorry, Yi square. Yi square is 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, right? So next column Fi Yi. So Fi Yi is equal to 15 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 30, minus 17, 0, 22, 50, right? Next column is Fi Yi square. So 15 multiplied by 4 is 60, 17 multiplied by 1 is 17, 0, 22 multiplied by 1 is 22, 25 multiplied by 4 is 100, right? So sum of all this will be 122 plus 7 plus 60, so 182 plus 17 is 199. Sum of all this will be 20 minus 17 is 3, 25. Sum of all this will be it will be 2500, right? So mean, now mean is equal to same formula. So mean is equal to A plus sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi Yi upon n multiplied by h, so which is 42.5 plus 42.5 plus fi yi, so which is 25 upon n is 100 multiplied by h is 4, so which is 42.5. So x bar is 42.5. Next, sorry, this will be 1, so 1 43.5 it will be. So 1 42.5 plus 1 is 43.5. Next we have to find out this variance, so same formula, variance. So variance sigma square is equal to h square upon n square bracket n sigma I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 5 fi yi square minus sigma fi yi whole square, right? So h square, h value is 4 square upon n square is 100 square, 100 bracket 199 minus 25 whole square, right? So which is 16 upon 10000 multiplied by 19900 minus 25 square is 625, right? So when we will solve it, it will be equal to 16 multiplied by this will be 19275 upon 1 2 3 4, so this will be equal to 30.84, right? It was pre-calculated, so 30.84 is the answer of the variance, and standard deviation will be square root of it. Standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of sigma square, which is square root of 30.84, so which is equal to 5.55. Standard deviation is 5.55, variance is 30.84, mean is 43.5. so this is the complete solution. Please pause the video and note down. So here we complete this exercise. So thank you for watching it. In the next video we will cover further topics of this chapter. Thank you for watching.